Hi there, my name is Emma, and I'm a solutions rep here at Cyan Analytics. I'll be taking you through how to use the work breakdown structure application. Let's get started. Head to the start screen and select the application. With this application, you can quickly assess the duration of the work and build out your project plan. This can be used across proposal teams, IT departments, you name it. Now let's go through how to use the application. With work breakdown structure selected, hit Next. Select your project, then your document, and hit Analyze. Now let's take a look at the results. On the left, you have the pages and headings. The parsed document is broken down into the tasks section in the middle. On the right, you can identify milestones and assess the duration of the tasks. With the work breakdown structure, it gives program and project managers an outline breakdown to quickly identify milestones and work duration. Want to quickly generate a work breakdown structure today? Schedule your demo with us.